Today I'm unboxing this amazing microfiber cloth that I got for just 150 rupees on Flipkart. I'll drop the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you're looking for the perfect tool to clean your bike or car, this microfiber cloth is a must-have. It's great for dusting, polishing, and cleaning surfaces. The size of this towel is 40 by 30 cm, which is quite big enough. Plus, both sides are made of microfiber, making it easy to clean by switching to a different side. The best part, it has super strong water absorption, so no more watermarks when cleaning your bike or car. And at 800 GSM, it's good quality compared to others at this price point. It's suitable for cleaning glass, metal, wood, and more, whether wet or dry. It's a worthy product that's easy to wash and maintain. The microfiber cloth is soft enough to not scratch your bike or car, yet it's durable and long-lasting. Most reviews on Flipkart are positive, which is a good sign. I hope the stitching remains strong after using it for a month. But so far, I'm impressed with its performance. Stay tuned for more updates.